Hello, my name is Rijndert Heijnen. In this tutorial I would like to show you how to make different fillets in these different sharp edges of this curve. The tutorial is based on the door of this car modeled in grasshopper, rhino. See, it has a particular shape. I've created the curve in red here on the YZ plane from the side view, and then projected to these surfaces over here together with some other curves that I've created in the YZ plane. This is a sequential process whereby each step changes the curves, changes the 0 point, etc. Because there are 6 points, discontinuity points, there are 6 steps. Here you can see discontinuity points. You measure the length of those list, which is 6. Here I have numbered the points. Switch this off, you can see it better. So the topology of the curve changes with each step. That's difficult. Grasshopper has a fantastic plugin called Anemone that replaces the elaborate sequential process with a loop process. It's notated with a loop start and a loop end. The loop start has a number n, which is the repeat number defined by the number of points that you want to have a different fillet in. So in this case that is 6. So there are 6 repetitive sequential steps, and this is the counter for it. So at each step the counter goes up 1. The T is a simple Boolean toggle to start the process and end the process. This is the input, the first curve. So that's the curve with all the sharp corners. In order to overcome the problems with the topology of each curve step, I have defined the curve's closest point, that's over here, with the original curve. So we have defined these points with closest chords. So with each change of topology and with each step defined by this item here, it still takes this point, this point, this point and this point in the right sequence. I will show you later how that works. So this here is essential. These are the radii that I have defined for the different points, sharp points. And they are sequentially taken from this counter. So it starts with 5, then second step 15, third step 15, fourth step 10, etc. These are the points defined, the closed surface point defined by this curve here. So that's important. And with each step it goes to the first, the second, the third or the fourth closest person and chooses that on a new curve. and thereby defines a new curve as input for the loop end. Once you created this algorithm, you can use the Boolean switch. The result is this curve. And as you can see here with the correct radii. The Anemone loop's end also has the possibility to show the result of each step. You have to switch on this record data. If you don't switch it on, you only get the total result. If you switch this off, you get the step result. So switch this on, and you see there are 7 curves. I can show you that. This is the second one. The first one, 0 is here, and it is a sharp corner. First step, 0 goes to here, and it's 2 rounded corners. 2, see there's 3 rounded corners, etc. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this will help you with your design work. See you next time. Bye.